Hi. In this video we will understand how to round up the number away from 0 to the nearest multiple of significance. We have the given values we want to round. We will specify the multiple to which you want to round. To round 7.242 up to nearest multiple of 0.1. We type the equals ceiling brackets open. 7.242, comma, 0.1 brackets, closed and enter. We get 7.3. Similarly to round 3.8 up to nearest multiple of 1, we type equals ceiling brackets, open 3.8 comma, 1 brackets closed, and enter. We get 4. To round 6.66 up to nearest multiple of 0.1 again, we type equals ceiling brackets open, 6.66 comma, 0.1 brackets closed, and enter. We get 6.7. To round 63 up to the nearest multiple of 5, we type equals ceiling brackets open, 63 comma, 5 brackets, closed and enter. We get 65. Regardless of the sign of the number, a value is rounded up when adjusted away from 0. If a number is an exact multiple of significance, no rounding occurs.